First, what is the topic about? Topic is about smart cities are about using technology to make life better. Think smarter transports, cleaner energy, and connected system that make everything more efficient. In Singapore, this vision is becoming a reality, creating new kinds of jobs and opportunity. Then, for interactive question, if you could improve one thing in your city using technology, what would it be? And share your ideas in the comment. First, what is the topic about? Topic is about smart cities are about using technology to make life better. Think smarter transports, cleaner energy, and connected system that make everything more efficient. In Singapore, this vision is becoming a reality, creating new kinds of jobs and opportunity. Then, for interactive question, if you could improve one thing in your city using technology, what would it be? And share your ideas in the comment. Okay. Next question. What is the future of computer engineers globally? Computer engineers are the backbone of smart cities around the world, and their skills in AI, cybersecurity, and systems design are driving innovation. The demand for computer engineers is only going to grow as technology keeps evolving. Then, yun lang. Then, for interactive polls, which field excites you most? First, AI ba? Cybersecurity or robotics? Then, drop your answer below. Salamat pala sa panonood. Then, I have konting some words about dun sa smart cities. For me, smart cities and the future of jobs natin are all about using innovation to make life better. Then, kung wala tayong smart cities, wala tayong magandang trabaho, di ba? Kasi ngayon, sa panahon natin is more on technology na. And, ayun, nag-improve na lahat. Then, ayun, magmababay na ako sa'yo. Then, sinayang ko ulit yung ilang minuto nyo. Then, bye! Next question. What area do I want to pursue? For me, sa ngayon kasi, interesting ako sa coding as gumagawa ng website, yun. Ngayon kasi, mahirap kasi sa akin na hindi pa ako masyado magaling sa coding talaga, actually. Then, tinitraining ko pa. Sa ngayon, yun lang yung gusto ko. Interesting ako dun. Then, ngayon is cyber security kasi as of now, marami na kasi nga ngayong mga hackers na yun. Binibenta nila yung mga information para kumita sila ganun. Mas gusto ko lang na mas secure yung mga bagay-bagay natin. Mas lalo yung mga information natin. And yun, I have an interactive challenge sa'yo. Think about your favorite technology and how could it be used in a smart city, and share your ideas, then pin in the comments. What are your key takeaways on the future of jobs? For me, the future of jobs is all about adaptability. Kasi yung mga technology natin is nag-upgrade by time then, but also opening doors to careers sa atin na hindi natin may imagine for lifelong learnings. And then for me, the future takeaways natin is yung teamworks natin. Mas lalo yan kasi mas magiging productive yung gawain natin kapag may teamwork natin. And yun. Then I have question. What skills are you planning to develop for the futures? And ayun lang. Just comment.